Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So here we have a question that 2 minus 2 multiply 4 minus 4. So most people solve this question like 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Then again 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. Now 0 multiply 0 is equal to also 0. But here they are wrong because this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. Now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay. PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, first priority is parenthesis, then exponents, then multiplication and division both have equal priority, then addition and subtraction also both have equal priority. Okay. So in this problem, here is one subtraction, here is one multiplication, and also here is one subtraction. So first priority is multiplication, then we have to solve subtraction. Okay. So first we have to multiply this part is equal to 2 minus 4. 2 multiply 4 is equal to 8 minus 4. Okay, is equal to, here is one subtraction and here also is one subtraction. Both have equal priority, so we have to solve this part. So 2 minus 8 is equal to minus 6 minus 4 is equal to minus 6 minus 4 is equal to minus 10. So the correct answer is minus 10. Okay. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching the video.